Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to file 1120S online. I will show you the complete form and how you can find it and how you can file it. So first of all, you have to just visit this IRS website, that the government's website. This is it. Just go to Google and search here www.irs.gov and hit the enter button. Now you will get this Internal Revenue Service, which is basically IRS, and this is the official website. Click on it, log in into your ID, and then you will get into your form to fill up. If you don't know where to find this 1120S form, again just go to Google here, type 1120S form, and you will get this original form by IRS. Right, so first of all, for those who don't know that what is basically IRS, let me share you and information about the form 1120S is used to report the income, gains, losses, reductions, and credit of a domestic corporation that has been elected by an S corporation. Right, so first of all, you have to gather information such as your business details, income records, expense records, shareholder information, additional form and schedules such as K1 and form 4562. Right, then you have to just go to find a software, right? The software which you use for the tax preparation to support forms such as 1120S, e-filing. Here are some of the examples. The first one is a TurboTax Business, Tax Act, and H&R Block. You have to log in into your account, then you have to begin a new tax return for the S corporation in the tax software. Fill in the basic details such as name, address, and EIN number. Input income and deductions, right? Enter all incomes and expense detail accurately. Fill out Schedule B, other information, Schedule K, and other relevant schedules. Provide each shareholder's details and the shares of income deduction and credit. Right, so you can fill up all this information in this is Schedule 1 basically, and if I show you, this is Schedule 2. Right, so Schedule A is basically your personal information and Schedule B is all about your partnership details and everything. Right, so once you have filled all this information, you have to check for errors, verify informations, and validate entries. Now you have to use the electronic signature, which let me show you, and this is basically Schedule K and Schedule L2. Right, Schedule K is for shareholders pro rata share item, and Schedule L is the balance sheet of your business, of your partnership business. Schedule M is the reconciliation of income, basically the loss per book with income, and Schedule M2 analysis of accumulated adjustment account, shareholders undistributed taxable incomes. Right, and here in the end you have to enter your electronic signature option to sign form for the 1120S. You can submit each and everything electronically with your softwares. Right, once everything is done, right, so make sure there's a deadline. So 1120S is due by March 15 for the calendar year, and if you want to extension, you need to fill one form which is called 704 for an automatic 6-month extension. I hope you found all this information useful. If it did, subscribe.